When this lady texted me she wanted to do her hair, she did mention the size of her hair was short, but girl, her whole hair was short. I was like, but auntie, you didn't tell me your hair was short like this now. Kilo day. Well, so I decided to make it a tutorial on how to do soft locks on short hair. I start by putting gel at the base of the hair to make it sleek. The soft lock extension I'm using is called Ohima Plus. This is not a crochet soft lock. Now take your tail comb and divide the tip of the extension into 2. Since you're coming to do a 3-strand braid, you divide her hair into 3 like so. Then you braid down a couple of times, like 3 or 4 times. Remember the hair is short, so since you're going to braid the natural hair to the extension, you should have enough to attach. Place the extension on the 3-strand braid. The 2 tips go to the left and right strands. Then the actual extension goes to the middle strand. Then you continue braiding. Make sure you braid all the way to the end to secure it. From here, you're going to take some Afro Kinky. I use Darling Afro Kinky or Darling Natural Twist. Place the kinky at the base of the braid and start wrapping tightly at the base of the braid. Once that is done, you can wrap the rest of the hair to cover the knots and where the connection was done. Once you're done wrapping, place the lock in your palms and then rub it, and then you are done. You'd notice I didn't use the box braid or the box layering parting method for this. That's because when you are dealing with short hair, it's better to use the freestyling parting method. This allows you the freedom to part the hair anyhow you want it, and it still looks great. Doesn't